An art kit can open up a world of creativity for a 6-year-old, offering them the tools to explore, imagine, and express themselves. These kits are thoughtfully designed to include everything a budding artist needs, from crayons to paint supplies, making them an ideal choice for birthdays, holidays, or just as a creative gift. Key features to consider before buying an art kit. Comprehensive contents. Look for a kit with diverse tools, such as crayons, markers, and watercolors, to encourage versatility in art projects. Safety. Ensure the materials are non-toxic and meet safety standards for children. Portability. A sturdy, portable case is essential for storing supplies and taking the kit on the go. Durability. Opt for an art kit with robust tools and a durable case to handle rough usage by kids. Age appropriateness. Choose a kit that matches the child's age and skill level, ensuring they can use all the materials included. Thank you for watching this video and hope you found it useful. Subscribe to us for more parenting tips and discovering best products to buy for your child.